So question 3, we're given this expression and asked to express it in partial fractions. Notice it's got a constant a outside the front, and we expect this because it's an improper fraction. We've got x squared, i.e. to the power 2 is our biggest power on top, and we've got an x squared on the bottom. We already know it's going to be x squared divided by x squared, so that a is going to be 1, but well, let's find a, but know already that it's going to be 1. I've got no idea what b and c will be, but we will find those out as we progress through. So we've got this expression here, and we're going to express it in partial fractions with a constant a at the front. So we've got a plus b over x minus 1 plus c over x plus 1. So times all the way through by x minus 1, x plus 1, and we'll get x squared plus 1 equals a x minus 1 x plus 1 plus b x plus 1 plus c x minus 1. So pick the easy ones off first. So x equals 1 would be nice and easy. So we're going to get 2 equals goes to 0, so it equals 2b. Implies b equals 1. That was easy. And then x equals minus 1. Well, I'll get rid of that one, and I have minus 2c. And minus 1 squared is 1, so we 2 equals minus 2c. Implies c equals minus 1. Now a is a little bit more tricky because there's no obvious x to put in. We could put in x is 0 and work it out, but much easier than that is just to go for coefficients. So I'm going to say coefficient of x squared. So the number of x squareds on the left hand side is 1, and the number of x squareds on the right hand side is just a. Implies a equals 1, and we sort of knew that. So our final expression is 1 plus 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x plus 1. I was to say, if I'm going to go on to part B in a second, I want to check that this is correct, and if I want to check quickly, I could just put in an easy value of x. So I could put in x is 0 and say this is 1 minus 1 minus 1, i.e. minus 1. So it's 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. So if I put x is 0, I get minus 1. Quickly go up here and check this. If I put x is 0, I'm going to have 1 over minus 1 is minus 1. Doesn't mean definitely it's correct, but it sounds very likely to be correct. So I'll move on to part